to people you wouldn't call saints. Or the flood down in Memphis carried your signs away. You picket your children and spit in their face, and they didn't believe he was their saving grace. Well, he is your savior, you can't spell his name. All the walls in the church, they won't hide your real shame. People like me aren't the problem today. It's the stones that you throw and the words that you speak in vain. When you're walking through the street and you have your eyes on me, look inside yourself and see that we're all just humans. Practice what you preach. The institution of marriage isn't flawed by same sex. It's the liars and cheaters your fathers knew best. Well, people like you put your Messiah to death. Put your weapons away. Read words that he